In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the ALEKS problem called Predicting the Ions Formed by Common Main Group Elements. This problem is going to give you the name of an element and is asking you to predict the most likely charge for that particular element, the most likely ion. To do this, it's handy to refer to a periodic table, so I have one pasted here on the screen, and then to keep in mind that we do have some trends on the periodic table. For example, all of the elements that are in column 1A tend to form +1 ions, 2A they tend to form +2 ions, and 3A tend to form +3 ions. The elements that are in 4A tend to not form ions at all, so I'm just going to give that a 0, and then we count down from there. 5A forms -3 ions, 6A forms the -2 ions, and 7A forms the -1 ions, and these guys out here also don't tend to form ions. So with that information, what we're going to do is look at the element. The first one has been mostly filled out for us, scandium Sc, which is located right here. Ooh, that's one of the ones that's kind of hard to predict. I didn't even put the prediction on it. It's telling us in the symbol that it's a +3 ion. Positively charged ions are referred to as cations, so this is a cation. But none of the rest of them are going to be tricky like this one was. So the next one we have on our list is sulfur. Sulfur is over here on the periodic table. That's in the -2 column. So that means that the symbol of this ion is going to be S with a 2- superscript, and because it's negatively charged, that is an anion. All the negatively charged ions are called anions. Magnesium is located right here. It's Mg. That's in the +2 column, so that symbol is going to be Mg2+, and because it's positively charged, it's a cation. Lithium is right here. That's in the +1 column. That's going to be Li+. When it's a +1 or a -1, we usually just write plus. We don't write +1 or -1. And that's because it's positive, it's a cation. And last but not least, chlorine over here, that is in the -1 column. So that's going to be Cl-, and that is an anion.